Imagine a platform that not only gives you a professional website, but also ensures it's optimized for search engines. Sounds like a dream, right? We all know how crucial Google My Business is for our repair shops. It's often the first stop for potential customers searching for our services. But have you ever wondered why some businesses rank higher in the search results than others? The secret sauce is search engine optimization, or SEO. It's a set of techniques designed to make your website more appealing to search engines. The better your SEO, the higher you'll rank on Google, and the more potential customers will see your business. Now, here's where our platform comes into play. It provides you with a website under your own brand, not ours, plus it's fully optimized for search engines, boosting your visibility on Google My Business. I mean, let's face it, we're experts at fixing things, not website design or SEO. That's where we step in. We offer a solution that allows you to focus on what you do best while we take care of your online presence. So if you're looking to supercharge your repair shop's visibility on Google My Business, consider our platform. It's the straightforward and effective way to get your business in front of more potential customers. Thank you for your time. We look forward to helping you grow your business.